this scientific gathering. So our outcome actually of this training is not just only a course and an end, okay? Our purpose is to improve the services in your facility related to wound care management and advancement technique, because nursing is the essential part in the success of any healthcare institutions. Without nursing, no service. Okay? So thank you again, and thank you, Mr. Abdul Mohsen, for your time with us today.
I guess, to be honest, to thank the speaker. Yeah, and I mentioned about the content, who provide the content, which is our speaker. Most of them, they are specialized in this course, specialized in wound care. Thank you so much for you. Thank you, Ms. Bella, as well. And good luck, guys. I know that you will give a lot of benefit in the clinical side. When wound care is something very important. Decrease the cost, there's cost efficiency, decrease the length of stay, also the patient safety as well, maintaining the patient safety. So we're waiting the outcome, inshallah, in King Saud Medical City and Dada institution.
Just I missed one point. This course have never been successful without the effort of Dr. Mann. Really, thank you so much for your support, for not only from the sponsor.